Alright. So let's say we got about a load. Alright, so we got that guy there. This corner here. These guys overhanging, shouldn't be a big deal. So far no climbing necessary. So I'd say we're well below a load right here. And we don't know about access from the backyard here. Alright, so these will need to be climbed. Those three. It's not an issue. I'll have to check for rot. Should be fine though. So far I'd say we're looking at about 2 loads and a full day's labor. Got a bit of a trunk on that one. That's gonna have to go to Cinnamon Ridge. So is that one. We're looking at about a load for this cluster here, I'd say. And coming back on this side, we don't really have much. A couple little small guys. That one may need to be climbed up. We may go halfway up that one. So we got here, we can climb this main one. Access all 3 of these, climb that one, cut her in half. And then we'll climb that one separately to access these. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3 climbs. So I'm gonna say 3 climbs. And let's play it safe and say 3 loads. 3 loads, and I wanna see a 10-hour day. Alright guys, so we're looking at about 20 man hours and 3 loads, I'm gonna say. Alright, time to go and do this up on the invoice program.